A very warm welcome to TechShorts, and these are the JavaScript loops headlines. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met. There are several types of loops in JavaScript such as for, while, do while, for in, for of, and these are used for iterating over arrays and objects. The for loop is most commonly used in JavaScript and is ideal when the number of iterations is known. The syntax of for loop includes three parts: an initialization statement, a conditional statement, and an update statement. The while loop is useful when the number of iterations is unknown and depends on a certain condition. The syntax of while loop includes a single conditional statement. Code executes repeatedly until the condition is fulfilled. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but it ensures that the block of code is executed at least once, even if the conditional statement is false. The syntax of do while loop includes the block of code to execute and a conditional statement. The for in loop is used to iterate over the properties of an object. The syntax of for in loop includes a variable to represent the property name and the object to iterate over. The for of loop is similar to the for in loop, but instead of iterating over the properties of an object, it iterates over the values of an iterable object, such as an array. The syntax of the for of loop includes a variable to represent the value and iterable object to iterate over. It's important to be mindful of potential infinite loops when writing loops, which can cause your code to freeze or crash. And that's it from me and my team in this edition of Headlines. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such headlines.